Green ball. Starter. Summer vacation is awesome. Are you ready for a water balloon fight? I sure am. Alright, I got the blue water balloon, and I got the yellow one. Alright, 3, 2, 1, throw! Wow, that was a cool mini movie that we made. Yeah. And here's a fun fact about our alliance. Our alliance originally had Yellow Ball of Face. Yeah. And before making our teams, we decided to include you because Yellow Ball with Face is not allowed in this series. Yeah. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, what's that? It's time for Stay and Go. For Halloween Ball, Red Yellow Ball, Yellow Star, and Eyeball. And guess what? Today is the day that our original host returns. Woohoo! Alright, we made it into our games. Just waiting for our host to come. Here I am. Did you guys miss me? We've missed you. Hello there. It's awesome to have you back. It sure is. I was too busy at IQLAN. I just had so much fun that I just went there for too long. Yeah, you stayed at IQLAN for a pretty long time. Yes. Oh, sorry, I meant Disneyland, huh? Yeah. Anyway, I heard that you two broke up teams, and you were at the final 13, and you four were up for elimination, since you four had the lowest scores. Yeah. Alright. And if you're safe, you'll be getting a marble. Yeah. And I'm sorry for not giving you guys a reward for the other Stay and Go ceremonies. It's probably because, for an unknown reason, maybe. Alright. Red, Yellow Ball, you have the most votes, so you're the first one safe. Come get your marble. Yay! Alright. Yellow Star and Eyeball, you two are safe as well. Alright. Unfortunately, Halloween Ball, you are eliminated. You get the boot. Oh. I will miss my alliance, just like Colorful Ball did. Yeah. Come get inside the LOL. Alright. Wait, where's Halloween Ball? He got eliminated. Oh man. We're gonna miss Halloween Ball just like we miss Colorful Ball. Yeah. Alright people, you are the final 12. Well, at least the 4 Alliance members made it into the final 12. That's still a swell thing, isn't it? Yeah. And guess what? We have a special contest. And what's the special contest? It's the cook-off! Yay! And by the way, these are your current scores. So your job today is to cook a food for me. And you'll get points depending on how well I like the food. For example, if you get a 10 out of 10, you get 100 points. Yeah. Alright, start cooking me up food. 3, 2, 1, begin. Now I only have 3 members on our alliance. I thought we were down to 4. Oh, Colorful Ball and Halloween Ball were eliminated. That made us go down to 3. Alright. So, who should join our alliance? Ooh, I remember that I was an alternate, so I'll join the alliance. That's an awesome choice. So what should we cook today? Ooh, let's make a taco sandwich. Let's use this host. Yeah. Who would like to take the jobs? I would like to be Vin Diesel, and I would like to be David Hasselhoff. I would be Justin Bieber, and I would be Bruce Willis. All right, we will do a very good job cooking. Now let's get some bread. All right. Hey, who wants to join me? No one? All right, I guess I'll go to the store then. Let's join since we're all very colorful. Alright. So, what do you think would be swell to make? Let's make a cake. Yeah, cake sounds very awesome. Yeah, and I heard that the Alliance is doing the job, so I'll take Taylor Swift. I'll be Mark. Ooh, I remember. I'll be Mark Wahlberg. Good choice. And I'm gonna be Pink. Alright, let's make cakes. Ooh, I heard that the contestants are taking the jobs as singers. I'm going to the store by driving a car. Ooh, I just thought of a job. I'm going to be Miley Cyrus. Alright, so let's just make up the 4 teams by using the rest of us. Alright. Let's get a fish. Alright. That taco probably likes a fish. Yeah, I'll be Simon Cowell. I'll be Moron Brando. I'll take Cinderella. And I'll take Billie Eilish. Alright. Now, where is the bread? Where is the bread? Let's find the bread, shall we? Good idea. Ooh, we found 1 piece of bread. Alright. Now let's find the other piece. Oh, there's the other piece. Ooh. This is good as taking Elton John. Yeah, and listening to some Bohemian Rhapsody. And some of us are humming too, because we're thinking about singers, which makes these songs get stuck in our heads. Yeah, we found the batter. Yes, we sure did. Now let's get some chocolate syrup. Yeah. Alright, now let's find some cherries. Yay, we found this huge cherry. That host is gonna love it. Yeah. Alright, now we got this. Now since we got that bread, let's do a prank on the host by putting some sunflower seeds through the path. And it's like a trail. He'll come right there just like Bob Ross. Yeah. Alright. Me, Galileo. Me, Galileo. Me, Galileo. Boo, 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 boo. Hey, host, there's some sunflower seeds for you. Ooh, sunflower seeds. Nom, 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 Bollywood. Nom, 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 nom. Ooh, I look just like a sandwich. Smiley face, green ball starter, and red yellow ball. Man, a taco sandwich. That's awesome. You 4 get a 10 out of 10. Meaning that you get 100 points. Woohoo! Hey, I have an idea. Since I'm at the store, I'm gonna get some chocolate balls. It's a 100 pack. Alright. Now, where are these chocolate balls? There they are. I'm as good as Greta Thunberg. Oops. Ah. Yeah, it had 100 chocolate balls, but now it has 96 chocolate balls. But still, the host is still gonna love it. Ugh. Oh, that's delicious. Here is your chocolate balls. It doesn't have 100, but it has 96. What? That's nonsense. If it doesn't have the perfect amount, then it's as good as garbage. You have to find the 100 chocolate balls, or else you bite the dust. Alright. Aw, this poor fish is dead. Yeah. Let's recover it. And And how are we gonna do that? By using this recovery center that we borrowed from Teapot. That's a great idea. All right, let's type in fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Yeah, we're as talented as Ed Sheeran. Yeah, we're gonna make a fish taco by putting a fish inside a tortilla. Yeah. Oh, easy there, easy. All right. Here's the tortilla. Let's put a fish on there. Okay. Time to deliver it to the host. Like the Vaporzillas. All right, got the 97th chocolate ball. I got the 98. Now I just need 2 more. Just 1 more to go. What additional ingredient can we use for this cake? Ooh, a chocolate ball. Let's add that to our cake. Now this cake is done. Time to deliver it to the host. All right. It's a pretty heavy cake. No, not our chocolate ball. Yes, I found all the chocolate balls. Time to deliver them to the host. Take it easy. You don't have to act so quickly like Donald the Duck. Yeah. Take it easy, I said. All right, I got all 100 chocolate balls just like you told me to. I'm as good as Pharrell Williams. Yay, you got 100 chocolate balls. Nice job. I still invest some germs in there. But you get an 8 out of 10, meaning that you get 80 points. Woohoo! This is very heavy. We're as tough as Queen, right? Killer Queen. Yeah. Oh no, we dropped the cake. We dropped it in mud. Now it's dirty. The host is gonna get ticked at us. Aw, man. Here's your cake. I'm sorry it's like a little smushed here, but at least we were acting like we're on Brando. Do you still appreciate it? Are you still appreciative? Let me see it. It's not that bad. Wait, what do you mean? Well, I can taste a little bit of mud. Maybe it's because you dropped the cake. What? I give it a 5 out of 10 because it's pretty disgusting. See, you each get 50 points. Well, it's not that bad. I guess we'll take it. That's the spirit. All right, here's your fish taco. Ooh, a fish taco. I like it just like Selena Gomez and Chad Zachary. Wow. Oh no. Wow, thank God I'm finally recovered. I just don't want this fish to bite me. Not again. Whoa, thank God I'm recovered again. Wow. Don't worry. We locked him inside the cell bar so he won't bite you again. Well, nonetheless, I don't really appreciate being bitten by a fish, see? I give it a 1 out of 10, so you get just 10 points. Aw, man, we're very disappointed. Yeah, I thought we were gonna act like we're on Brando. Yeah, but at least we play a great game, right? Now let's hop like Bunny. Teal ball, purple velvet ball, eyeball, and yellow star. You 4 had the lowest scores, so you 4 are up for voting. Wow, looks like we were both up for voting 2 times in a row now. Yeah. Now let's go get our tablet. And note that you people may think that it got a bit darker here, but that's okay because I closed this window here. So it looks like number ball, purple velvet ball, teal ball, and eyeball are up for elimination. So your job is to vote one contestant from the community poll for who you want to get saved. The contestant with the fewest votes gets eliminated. Make sure you vote for one person. Oh, before we get our tablet, let's get some nachos and watch football just like Master Chef and Nolan North. Yeah, footballs are awesome. Yeah, and our favorite team is Eagles, just like John Cena. He may not be a singer, but he's a wrestler, which makes him a celebrity too. Yeah. I love listening to I Want to Ride My Bicycle by Queen. Yeah. Cut to commercials. Hi cartoon fans, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, why not hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button, and if you feel like getting notified when new videos are released, please hit the bell, and if you would like to watch more videos, go check out this video on the left and the other on the right. You can also check out my other channels, FCMT Shorts and FCMT Gaming, and subscribe to these channels as well. You can also go to my channel links for wacky adventures, videos, animations, and other goodies. Anyways, I will see you in the following video. Bye-bye.